Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, today we're gonna do a quick review and comparison stabilizer links. This is for Toyota. One is aftermarket, one is OEM. This is the original OEM. As you can see, the reason why it's been replaced because the boots got torn off, well, damaged. The boots got damaged, and so basically had to replace. I'm gonna see if I can find the boots for it, if they can be actually replaced. And if they can be replaced, that would be nice, because I probably can get another 300,000 out of them, lube it, and good to go. Because it seems to be Toyota OEM. A lot of components OEM on Toyota actually will last a long time, surprisingly. Aftermarket, steel versus aluminum casing, one piece. This looks like welded in, or who knows, pressed in. I just don't see this aftermarket lasting, but it has 10 years warranty. So if it fails, you'll know. Brand, Detroit Axle. I think it's some kind of generic brand that I bought it on eBay. Very cheap, half the price, not even half the price. 1/4 of the price what everyone else asking. So if you want it, I'll post a link, you can check them out. I think for 10 years warranty, it's definitely worth it. Unless it's gonna keep failing every year or every couple of years you have to replace, then yeah, then it would not be. But otherwise, this is it, you know what I mean. Mine came out with no problem. With impact, just make sure you apply enough penetrating oil to let the rust loose. And when I put my on, just make sure you apply grease to the threads and inside where the Allen key. So when you have to remove it, it comes out easily. It's not rust, because I'm sure it will rust. So this is it, quick comparison. OEM versus aftermarket. So thank you.